Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about finding the less common multiple or LCM using continuous division. I have here a word problem. Michael plays basketball and volleyball. Michael's basketball team plays their games every 8 days. Michael's volleyball team plays their games every 12 days. How many days will it take Michael to play a basketball and volleyball game on the same day? To solve the problem, you need to find the less common multiple or LCM of 8 and 12. Now, here's how you do it by continuous division. First, let's write 8 and 12 horizontally. Now, draw an L shape. Now, divide 8 and 12 by their common factor. Think of any number that divides evenly into both 8 and 12. 8 and 12 are divisible by 2, so we are going to use 2 as our common prime divisor. Write this on the left side of a given number. Now, let's proceed to division. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's write the quotient below the number. Now, divide 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, let's divide 4 and 6 by their common factor. Let's draw an L shape. 4 and 6 are divisible by 2, so we are going to use 2 as our common prime divisor. We write this on the left side of a given number. Then let's proceed to division. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Next, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 2 and 3 have no common factor, so you can stop dividing. Now, multiply the divisors, the numbers written vertically on the left, and the remaining numbers written horizontally in the last row. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 3 equals 24. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. So, the LCM is 24. Now, let's answer the word problem. So, the answer is 24 days. Another example. Let us find the LCM of 25 and 15. First, let's make an L shape. Now, divide 25 and 15 by their common factor. Think of any number that divides evenly into both 25 and 15. 25 and 15 are divisible by 5, so we are going to use 5 as a common prime divisor. Write this on the left side of a given number. Now, let's proceed to division. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Let's write the quotient below the number. Next, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 5 and 3 have no common factor, so you can stop dividing. Now, multiply the divisor, the numbers written vertically on the left, and the remaining numbers written horizontally in the last row. So, 5 times 5 times 3. 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 times 3 equals 75. So, 5 times 5 times 3 equals 75. So, the least common multiple, or LCM, is 75. Another example. Let us find the LCM of 18 and 27. First, let's make an L shape. Now, divide 18 and 27 by their common factor. Think of any number that divides evenly into both 18 and 27. 18 and 27 are divisible by 3. So we are going to use 3 as our common prime divisor. Now, let's proceed to division. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Next, divide 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Divide 6 and 9 by their common factor. Let's make an L shape. 6 and 9 are divisible by 3, so we are going to use 3 as our common prime divisor. Then let's proceed to division. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 2 and 3 have no common factor, so you can stop dividing. Now, multiply the divisors, the numbers written vertically on the left, and the remaining numbers written horizontally in the last row. So, 3 times 3 times 2 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 times 3 equals 54. So, 3 times 3 times 2 times 3 equals 54. So, the LCM is 54. Quiz time! Let's answer this. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Find the LCM using continuous division. 10 and 6. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 2 times 5 times 3 equals 30. So, the LCM is 30. Next, 4 and 20. Time's up. The answer is... So, 2 times 2 times 1 times 5 equals 20. So, the LCM is 20. Another 15 and 9. Time's up. The answer is... So, 3 times 5 times 3 equals 45. So, the LCM is 45. Another 14 and 10. Time's up. The answer is... So, 2 times 7 times 5 equals 70. So, the LCM is 70. Another 25 and 30. Time's up. The answer is... So, 5 times 2 times 5 times 3 equals 150. So, the LCM is 150. Another 8 and 10. Time's up. The answer is... So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 equals 40. The LCM is 40. Another 14 and 21. Time's up. The answer is... So, 7 times 2 times 3 equals 42. So, the LCM is 42. Another 18 and 30. Time's up. The answer is... So, 3 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 90. So, the LCM is 90. Another 8 and 12. Time's up. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 equals 24. The LCM is 24. Another another 12 and 20. Time's up. The answer is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 equals 60. The answer is 60. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about finding the least common multiple or LCM using continuous division. Thanks for watching.